One important story that Economic Times is picking up is about Mphasis stake sale, which Blackstone, of course, who is the owner of Mphasis, may be looking for. My colleague from Economic Times, Arjit Barman, is joining us. Arjit, take it away. What are you picking up?
This is a four-year-old investment for Blackstone. Mphasis, as we know, has changed hands a number of times, and Blackstone made a $1 billion bet in 2016 when it took a controlling stake in the company. Now, since then, the stock has rallied 205%, or money's grown threefold. So therefore, Blackstone's extremely tempted to monetize its investment, get out, and make probably its biggest payday in India. So that's the reason, that's the rationale with which they have initiated the process. They've started a vendor diligence. They've got KPMG, one of the big four firms. Vendor diligence is something that the seller does. It's like an independent third-party valuation exercise. It's an exercise which basically tells you that everything is in order, and then that report goes to all the potential sellers. Investment bankers have been called in to basically finalize a proper formal mandate. And I would suspect that from January 2021, a formal exercise will kickstart. Already the management, which was brought in by Blackstone, they are aware, and everybody is on board. And we all knew that sooner or later, Blackstone, being a fund, will flip its investment. And, as we have reported, that they want to take advantage of the current rally. As I said, the stocks rallied significantly. In fact, it's outperformed the Nifty IT bunch as well by about 4 percentage points. So currently, the 56% that Blackstone owns, based on Friday's market closing, that would be worth almost 13,800 odd crores, 1.5 billion plus. Now, any acquirer who buys that block will also have to trigger an open offer, because there's a change of management that's going to happen. And if the open offer is successful, remember, in 2016, when Blackstone had bought the company, the open offer was not successful. So in case the open offer is successful now going forward, then a new acquirer potentially can own up to 80% of the company.
Thanks, Arijit, so much for that. On that note, we are taking a break, coming back quickly, leaving you with Nifty up 46 points, looking in solid versus the sort of start that we had.